Manufacturing is on the brink of a data-driven revolution. At MCA Connect, we're seeing it every day. We've worked with manufacturers across a variety of industries over the last 2 decades. From shop floors to global supply chains, data is around every single corner. Our manufacturers are having data flow in from ERPs across the globe. There's data flowing in from supply chains. There's data flowing in from all of the customer touch points or the customer footprint. What we hear our customers say is it's almost too much. It's almost like a cloud or a fog is making it difficult to even make sense of all of the data. How do we pull it together? How do we make decisions based on so much data? What we know is that it's not about the sheer volume of data, it's about how we can help manufacturers put that data to work for them. The data that's coming in is so often siloed in ERPs, in supply chain, in customer footprint, in production lines. And when that data is siloed, oftentimes the decisions are siloed as well. The fog that sits over the data makes it difficult to make the best decision. So, how do we handle this? With MCA Connect Inspire Platform's advanced data and analytics solution, we're able to start pulling all of this data together. And as we do that, imagine that cloud or that fog starts to lift. We're able to all of a sudden see connections, almost like constellations in the sky, with every data point a different star. We see stories, we see connections, we see opportunity that we weren't able to see before. Not because the data wasn't there, but because it wasn't optimized, it wasn't consolidated, it wasn't tied together in a way that we can actually use it to make business decisions. These intersections of data redefine our view of the business. We see differently than we did before. And that is the data-driven revolution in manufacturing. And that's where MCA Connect can help.